Supreme Court on Tuesday observed that election to any civic body cannot be delayed. Ward reorganization cannot be an excuse. This observation was made in a case related to Madhya Pradesh. This will have ramifications over BBMP polls. This is what Mr. Abdul Wajid, former leader of opposition BBMP, has to say.
ಇವತ್ತು ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ವದ ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಮಹಾಜನ್ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಪನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ಅಡಿ 243E ಮತ್ತು 243U ಪ್ರಕಾರ 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕಂತ ಏನು ಆದೇಶ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ, ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ಚುನಾವಣೆ ನಡೆಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಆಯೋಗಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ಹೊರಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟ್ ನ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಸಮಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆದೇಶ ನೀಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಈ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಕೂಡಲೇ ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಬಿಎಂಪಿ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ನಡೆಸಲು ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ಕೂಡಲೇ ಹೊರಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಆಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಇವತ್ತು ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
I would like to welcome the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court. The triple bench of the Supreme Court gave a hearing on this matter and gave a judgment on the matter and instructed the government and the election commission to conduct the elections. It's been almost 2 years that the elections to the BBMP were delayed. Even after the High Court decision, the state government went to the Supreme Court against the order of the High Court. Today, the Supreme Court gave a hearing to conduct the elections, municipal elections all over the country without the delay. So it's a welcome judgment, and with regards to the election of the BBMP, it should be conducted within 2 months' time. Almost 2 years, the BBMP was without the council, and people had a lot of issues. There was nobody to see the work that was being done by the BBMP, and the ward committees also were not there. So the corporators in the ward committee and the officials were managing the city very well. And you would have seen that, during the last 2 years, there was a lot of mismanagement. Even the smart city works which were done across the city, people were left with no proper administration of the BBMP, and a lot of issues pertaining to the garbage, to the roads, to the potholes. Now once the new BBMP corporators are elected, I think the city would come again back to the normal. So it's a welcome decision. I would like to thank the Supreme Court for taking this stand.